Hello and welcome to today's edition of Trojan Talk. I'm Simon Brown, and today I'm joined by Dr. Govind Menon. He's the Interim Dean of the College of Arts and Sciences. Dr. Menon, how are you today?
Doing well, and how are you?
I'm doing great, thank you. Now, I wanted to ask you about this Dark Matter in the Universe lecture given by a resident faculty member. Can you tell me a little bit about him?
Yeah, so very briefly, let me also tell you about the center. It's a fairly new center. We started this about roughly early part of the semester. We are 4 faculty strong, and one of the faculty members, a recent hire and a former student of Troy University, will be giving a talk. His name is Dr. Rakshak Adhikari. He's originally from Nepal, but he did go to Troy for his undergraduate studies. He'll be talking on dark matter in the universe.
Mm-hmm. Now, for those who may not really understand what that means, can you kind of break that down for us?
Indeed. 85% of the universe is made of stuff we have no idea what it's about. And we call it dark matter. We call it dark matter because we don't see it, but we can see its effects. So how do you learn about something that you cannot detect directly, measure directly? And the interesting challenge for Dr. Adhikari would be to talk about something you cannot detect directly for a lay audience member. So very specifically, this lecture is for the general audience. You don't need any scientific background, just curiosity.
Now, what makes this such a good opportunity for students to come learn about this?
Yeah, in school we study about 3 states of matter, maybe 4, solid, liquid, gas, maybe plasma in there, but who knows what this is? And it's, again, 85% of the universe. It describes the shape of the universe. It'll ultimately determine the fate of the universe. So a part of your undergraduate education, you could be a history major, you could be a music major, you still want to know the big picture of big ideas. And dark matter is certainly a big idea in our current understanding of the universe.
Right. Now, when and where will this lecture take place?
Yes. So it is next Thursday, I believe November the 14th at 11 a.m. In the library.
Okay.
It's at the Media Center.
All right. Is there anything else that students need to know about this lecture?
No, come with an open mind. Sit back and enjoy. It'll be a great talk. And if it's successful, so it is important that show up if you can, if you're able, or make time for it. If the event is successful, we hope to continue and with a series of lectures given intermittently, maybe once a semester or so.
Dr. Menon, thank you so much. Thank you for joining us today. And thank you for joining us on this edition of Trojan Talk.